As I sit here on my deathbed, I wish I could have gone back into that one last video.
Hey John, you look kinda down. What's wrong?
I don't have any friends.
Well, maybe it's 'cause you're ugly.
Fashion, glamour, fame, pickles.
I like dogs!
Sorry, dude. Sorry, man, but you've got to go.
Nobody likes you.
Life isn't always like a box of chocolates, so you gotta go.
Hey brother, do you want to get ripped? Do you want to have huge, undeniably awesome muscles like these guys?
Hi, I'm John Polidor from Multimedia Communications 2, and you're watching Disney Channel.
I will remember you. Will you remember me? Don't let your